So we're going to put in the spark plugs and the idler pulleys in the belt right now. Throwing it on. Let's do this. Could do the belt and everything, because the way it is. Hey, let me get a 15. We could do the belt shit. Why not? Ugh. So. Oh yeah, I guess I should. Yeah, you know what? We'll just. So the reason why I'm replacing this shit, because shit's loud. Shut up. And this one barely even spins. So I figured it's all off the car if we do it now. Okay, that's not the one I needed anyway. This is the one. Well, I'm gonna need that one anyway, but looks like this is the same way. Either way. I always want to take that. Pair of parts. Looks the same. Right. Same either way. I always see people do this shit with like impacts, like starter with impacts. Like, just don't do that. You negate the risk of fucking actually stripping stuff if you just don't use impacts. Just use by hand. This one actually barely spins, but at least don't make any noise. That's what we're here for. We ain't trying to have belt squeal around here. That's that. I need to get the one that rolled away. Come here, little motherfucker. Made in Canada, eh? At least it ain't China. So, I think it's something like this. Something like this. Yep. Except for, that's not how it went. Because it's not fucking centering up. No, it doesn't matter. That's a big weird setup. Am I stupid? Probably. Just I thought this would just center up a little better. No, it's gotta go like that though. Same size.
Walmart shopping. Can I get a...
Oh yeah. See, it just seems weird to me. Why? All same size? Yeah. I don't think this is supposed to be there. I think this is an extra. No, it's not. I don't know.
a little better. Yeah. That's definitely how it goes. Me just being stupid for a little bit. It's been a long day. Fuck. It's like it's not going on the way it's supposed to. Oh yeah, that spins nice. Yeah. That's not good. I mean, it spins nice, but look how loud that is.
It's loud as shit.
It's like a fidget spinner. That shit's rough as hell. Fuck it. We change them both. The belt. Now, without a belt diagram, am I going to be able to do this? I think so. Hell no, that's not the way it goes. It goes like this? Question mark? Oh, that's the way it goes. Yeah. Oh, come on, man. There it goes. Jesus Christ. I done did figure it out. I didn't even need to use the internet. Oh, did I figure it out? Oh, yeah, I figured it out. That's on, that's on, that's on. That's on, that's on. Look at that. I figured it out with no help of the interwebs. I'm smart. Now what? I want to go that way. It's just, I have too much shit in the way. One of these days. One of these days.
And hopefully not make any belt squealing noises. Alright, we got one more thing we got left. Just gonna throw in the spark plugs. Hopefully we don't break them installing the engine or the headers. If I do, I'll be sad. But you know, we had to get that good iridium plugs. We don't cheap out around here. Fuck this box. So. Little unboxing. And then there's just more boxes inside of a box. That's just how it goes. Throw that in there. 7-year unlimited warranty. Look at that. Workmanship. So if I crack this, putting the engine in, I guess I can return this and get a new one.
Hey, there you go. Oh, yeah.
Alright. Nope. Let's get the tools. Alright. We don't need that. We need this, this, and some string. So, I don't know who the motherfucker that put Bosch spark plugs on a GM fucking motor. Just buy AC Delco. There's no reason why you need to buy off-brand bullshit. This car never came with Bosch spark plugs, alright? Like, fuck. It's not that hard. Like, this is not the right spark plug to go in this fucking car. Look at that one. And then let's pull out an AC Delco that's a GM. This is what they put in it. It looks like that. There's no need to have the dual electrodes like that. I don't know. Whatever. Let's pull them all out. They don't look bad, but not the right spark plug at all. I mean, this plug might have a little oil on it because the engine was tipped. But, like, look at that fucking end of that plug wire. Like, where the plug wire went on there. Some corrosion. I don't know. This thing was misfiring. This might have something to do with it. It being the wrong fucking plugs. I don't know. Let's check out the other side. So you do the shit now. So you don't have to do it when it's in there. With the headers and everything on there. You ain't fucking changing spark plugs with those. Maybe. Although this spark plug's gonna be would be a pain in the dick. And look at this, how clean how this side is. And the other side, it's the same thing. I don't know. There's a reason why this thing was running like dicks. So yeah, so this is cylinder 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's the way Alice engines work. I think what the problem was is the plug wires wasn't all the way on or something on that side, because this sides look so clean so far. Got, yeah, they both, look at it, both these ones look just like that one. So I think I found the reason why I was misfiring or something, which is good because we got blood drawn.
Oof.
Got blood drawn. That's how it be sometimes. I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep later at night. See, the good thing is, it's like I'm not getting in like customers' cars or something like that, so I can bleed. Bleeding's not a big deal. And this side's running way better than the other side was. Which I know Camaros are a pain in the ass to work on. Oh yeah, that's bleeding pretty good. Got action in the first video. Or maybe second one, I don't know. Depends on what this is. Edit man Farino. Cameraman here, folks. Got blunt man over here. Shout out to the neutral droppers.
Hell yeah, neutral droppers.
Yeah, these aren't bad. These are better than the other side. That's always nice. Threaded in my hand. Man, gee, I'm doing something right by keeping this fucking cam and block design. Because everything's so compact. I really hope this fixes the misfire issue. I knew it was ignition based. It wasn't happening like all the time. I was on the highway going like 60 miles an hour, and it'd kind of go away if I was like light on the throttle. Put that shit in 6th gear, I was cruising. Even though this transmission will probably never see 6th gear ever again. For the fact that I don't have enough power to drift 6th gear. Maybe one day. Maybe just put like 1,000,000 pounds of air pressure in like some 14-inch tires and then it'd work. Oy. Ooh, wow. I'm bleeding. You don't use Band-Aids around here. Torque spec? I've never heard of them. No, like, obviously this is all loose because I'm not using this oil pan anymore because I have to obviously custom one, so I gotta get the little port to block this off. That's in the future. I tighten that one, alright. That's it.